Alright, so I'm going to share a quick trick that I just learned. I use a lot of these stainless steel coffee mugs. Love to have my coffee every day, so over time these stainless steel coffee mugs will stain, and just traditional hand washing or washing in the dishwasher won't get it this clean. So I'm going to show you real quickly how, just a quick trick that I discovered to get these coffee mugs, stainless steel coffee mugs, clean. I have another one here that is, you can see on the inside, it's just got tons of coffee residue. It's even brown all the way to the bottom there. So this has been hand washed and machine washed, and it still doesn't come out. So all you do is, I have some oven cleaner, and this is just some cheap stuff bought at the dollar store, I think. So any brand of oven cleaner probably will work. But all you do is just spray a little bit of the oven cleaner in the mug, and it only takes a few seconds. So shake it up a little bit and just spray it in there real good. Just let that sit for a few seconds. You have to kind of stand back because the fumes are hard to breathe, but just let the foam do the work. And 15 to 30 seconds is probably all you need. And now I'm going to just take this, sponge with a little abrasive, the green section on the back, and just clean it up real good. Unfortunately, I have to put the phone down to do this, so I'm just going to stop here and then I'll resume to show you how the cleaning came out. Alright, so after a quick scrub, this is what it looks like. Basically looks like brand new again. So very, very quick, simple, easy way to clean your stainless steel coffee mugs. Hope it helps.